today our main topic will be parts of ship. Okay, parts of ship. All right. Now we have so many types of ships. Okay, we have so many types of ship. Yes, and basically today the one that we are going to learn 8 parts. Okay, is a container vessel. Okay, here, right here is a what? A container vessel name itself. Okay, container vessel name itself. Now we are starting from the what? The forward part. Okay, we are starting from the forward part. Now, always the left side on a ship is your port side, okay, and your right side on a ship is your starboard side. Okay, that's the terminologies that we use. Okay, so starting from the forward, we have our bubbles bow. Okay, this thing is called bubbles bow. Okay, this thing is our ankle. This is an ankle. All right, this is an ankle. All right, and here, right here, okay, is our forecastle deck. Okay, our forecastle deck, and you can see some pillars here. This is not a pillar, but it's called bait. Okay, and 2 baits is called bullard. Okay, we use in what? Securing the vessel. Okay, and these holes here, okay, these holes here are called fairleads. Okay, so when we are mooring, the mooring line that we throw to the jetty, okay, this guides it, okay, to be in shape. All right, and these are foremasts. Okay, foremast. Okay, and this format we can see light here. Okay, you can see light here, and this whole part is called hull. Okay, this whole part is called hull. From here to here is the ship hull. Okay, that's the ship hull. Now, and we have, you can see some readings here. You can see some readings here. That one is called draft line. Okay, draft line. So this thing will show you where your water line is. Okay, where your water line is. So this is a draft line. All right. Moving on, here we have containers. Okay, we have containers, and we have stored it in what? Base. So we have B. So B1, B2, B3, B4. Okay, yes. And right here we have our accommodation. Okay, we have accommodation, and this is where we steer the vessel. This is where we steer the vessel. So you can find the bridge team right here. You can find the bridge team right here. And down here is where the crew sleeps. Okay, that's their house. Okay, that's where they can sleep, right down here. All right, and here we have our lifeboat. Okay, here we have our lifeboat. Okay, this is called a lifeboat, and the one rigged like this is called closed lifeboat. Okay, closed lifeboat. I'm saying that because we have types of what? Lifeboats. Okay, we have free fall, we have open lifeboats, but this one is what? Closed lifeboat. Okay, moving on, we can see our pilot's ladder here. Okay, this is called a pilot ladder. This is called a pilot ladder. Okay, so it's for the pilot when embarkation and disembarkation. Okay, when embarkation and disembarkation. And we can have our radar. Okay, radar antenna. Okay, this is our radar antenna. Okay, this is our radar antenna. So this one helps in sending and receiving what signals. Okay, this is sending and receiving signals. All right, moving to this side, this called accommodation ladder. This is called accommodation ladder. Okay, so when we get to a port and probably the crew on board want to get out, these are the steps that they are going to use. This is called accommodation ladder. Okay, this is called accommodation ladder. But don't forget, this whole part, okay, is the forward part. Okay, we have the forward part, and this whole part is called the back or the stern part. Okay, the back or the stern part, or we can also call it aft part. Okay, we can also call it the aft part. Okay, so either back or stern or aft, yes, it's basically the same thing. And we have here our rudder. Okay, we have our rudder. Okay, so on the bridge, when you steer on the bridge, this thing too turns. Okay, so is this rudder that's turning the whole vessel. Okay, is this rudder that's turning the whole vessel. And we have propeller. Okay, this one is called propeller. Okay, it turns like this. You can see it to be a fan, but it's not a fan. Okay, yes, it's having a fan like shape. Okay, it turns like this. When it's turning, the vessel too will be what? Moving. Okay, so it is in what? Vessel's movement. Okay, that's the propeller. Now let's come to this part. Here we can have our funnel. Okay, we can have our funnel. Right, this our funnel. So we'll end here. Kindly subscribe to my channel.